The human cell is a marvel of biological engineering, a complex and dynamic entity that forms the basic unit of life in the human body. Each human being is composed of trillions of cells, each performing unique and vital functions to maintain the body's health and well-being. Human cells come in various shapes and sizes, but they share common structural components that enable them to carry out their functions. The main components of a typical human cell include the cell membrane, which is a phospholipid bilayer that encloses the cell, providing a barrier between the internal and external environments and regulating the movement of substances in and out of the cell to maintain homeostasis. The cytoplasm, a gel-like substance that fills the cell, containing all the cellular organelles, providing a medium for biochemical reactions and facilitating the movement of materials within the cell. The nucleus, often referred to as the control center of the cell, houses the cell's genetic material, DNA, and regulates gene expression and coordinates cell division, growth, and differentiation. The mitochondria, known as the powerhouses of the cell, generate ATP, adenosine triphosphate, the cell's primary energy currency, and play a crucial role in cellular respiration and energy production. The Golgi apparatus modifies, sorts, and packages proteins and lipids for secretion or use within the cell, and is essential for the proper functioning of proteins and lipids after their synthesis. Human cells perform an array of functions that are essential for the body's survival and functioning. These functions include energy production, where cells convert nutrients into energy through cellular respiration, primarily within the mitochondria, and use this energy to power various cellular processes and activities. Protein synthesis, where cells synthesize proteins, which are crucial for numerous biological processes, with mitosis occurring in somatic cells and meiosis in germ cells. Cell communication, where cells communicate with each other through chemical signals, ensuring coordinated responses to internal and external stimuli. Transport and secretion, where cells transport substances across their membranes and secrete various molecules, such as hormones and enzymes, to maintain internal balance and facilitate bodily functions. And defense, where immune cells play a critical role in defending the body against pathogens and foreign invaders, recognizing, responding to, and eliminating threats to maintain the body's health. The human body contains over 200 different types of cells, each specialized to perform specific functions. Some of the major cell types include red blood cells, which carry oxygen from the lungs to the rest of the body and return carbon dioxide for exhalation, and contain hemoglobin, which binds to oxygen and carbon dioxide. White blood cells, which are part of the immune system and protect the body against infections and foreign invaders, with several types, including muscle cells, which are involved in movement and contraction, and with skeletal muscle cells enabling voluntary movements, while cardiac and smooth muscle cells control involuntary actions.